Hello student, welcome to this my Mathrotrix channel. Please share and subscribe and give your comments also. In this video we'll see if 2 raised to x equal to 3 raised to y equal to 6 raised to minus z. Show that 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z equal to 0. Now see, let 2 raised to x equal to 3 raised to y equal to 6 raised to minus z equal to k. This is the z, okay, equal to k. Then now see, this all are equal means what? Single also you can write 2 raised to x equal to k, okay. Or see, here we studied the law, then 2 equal to k raised to 1 upon x means this index we are bringing this side, so means it's becoming 1 upon x, reciprocal of this, okay. Then same way equation 1, then 3 raised to y equal to k means 3 equal to k raised to 1 upon y, second equation. 6 raised to minus z equal to k, or 6 equal to k equal to minus 1 upon z, third. Then we know that 2 into 3 is 6, okay. So in this equation we substitute the value of 2, 3 and 6 means, see here we got the value of 2, 3 and 6. So put the value. So 2's value is what? Here k raised to 1 upon x into 3's value is k raised to 1 upon y equal to 6 values k raised to minus 1 upon 2. So here k raised to 1 upon x, here index is same, multiplication is there, 1 means it is the addition of this index, 1 upon x plus 1 upon y equal to k raised to minus 1 upon 2. So here this law we are again using, a raised to n equal to a raised to m is n equal to m, okay. So x upon 1 upon x plus 1 upon y equal to minus 1 upon z. This is the z, try to understand. See, it is looking little z. Then see here, very simple. Here see, again I am writing here minus 1 upon z, okay. So minus 1 upon z, so we have to prove that, no. So what you will prove? Minus. So see here our question is what? 1 upon x plus 1 upon y plus 1 upon z equal to 0. So if you are this minus 1 upon z transposing this side, so it will become plus and then this side become 0. So very easy, it is a proved by solving this. Then we proved that, show that it is given. So it is, we got this answer, so it is a, we proved that. Then next is there, see, solve the following equation for the x. Here now see, cube root of 4 raised to 2x plus 1 upon 2 equal to 1 upon 32. Now here this problem we are writing as it is. Here 4 means 2 square and here cube root means 1 upon 3 and raised to your again 2x plus 1 upon 2 as it is. 1 upon 32 means 1 upon 2 raised to 5. Then see multiplication, you know that this multiplication, no, this law we use, a raised to m raised to n equal to a raised to mn. So here all multiplication. So here see 2, here 2 raised to 2 means 2 into 1 upon 3. 2 into 1 upon 3 means 2 upon 3 and into again this. So you have to make the bracket here, okay. And this reciprocal of this 2 is 1 upon 2 is 2. So index become minus 2 raised to minus 5. So here this law we are using. So n equal to m. Then what will happen? 2 upon 3 in bracket 2x plus 1 upon 2 raised to 2 minus 5. So you are writing as it is. Then this 2 upon 3 here transposing this side. So here see here minus 5 will come directly. You can write the minus 5. No need to write 2 raised to. Okay. Have you understood? Because only index equal to, now after using this you are getting, then 2x plus 1 upon this bracket as it is and 2 upon 3 here transposing this side, then reciprocal of this 3 upon 2. Then you are here LCM, So LCM of these two, here you will multiply by 2, here 1. So 4x plus 1 upon 2 equal to your 5 into 3, or you can keep like this also. See here, here 15 minus 15 upon 2, you can write like this. See here, see here your 4x plus 1 upon 2. So your minus 5, your minus 5 into 3, you can multiply also. Then see here, next step, this step is coming here, 4x plus 1 equal to your, here upon 2 is there, transposing this side, so it will multiply. So minus 5 into 3 upon 2 into 2, so 2 ones are 2. Then here minus 5 into 3, so minus 15. 4x plus 1 equal to minus 15. Then 4x equal to this minus 15 as it is, and you are plus x transposing this side, so it's become minus. So 4x equal to minus 16. X equal to minus 16 upon 4, means 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, so minus 4 answer will come. So you have to solve properly. Please share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.